Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and we're so glad you decided to spend some time learning real-life English with us today.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam, and today we are talking about something very small, but somehow very dramatic.
Losing your phone.
Oh wow, immediate panic.
Very immediate panic.
Because somehow, losing your phone feels like losing your whole life.
Very true. Suddenly, everything feels stressful.
Your messages,
Your photos,
your apps,
your alarms.
your entire personality.
Slightly dramatic.
Maybe, but still true.
Today, we are talking about losing your phone in English.
Real English for real life.
Because sometimes learning English is not only about grammar. Sometimes you just want help without panic.
Very important goal.
Very important.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English through natural conversations,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
okay, Emma, let's imagine something. You are outside,
Maybe shopping.
maybe drinking coffee,
Maybe walking home.
or maybe just having a normal day.
Then suddenly, you check your pocket.
Empty pocket,
You check your bag.
empty bag,
Then suddenly, small panic.
medium panic,
Big panic.
immediate life crisis.
Then maybe you think, wait, where is my phone?
Oh no, very stressful moment.
Especially when you know it was with you 5 minutes ago.
Somehow, that feels even worse.
Emma, question time.
Okay,
Most stressful losing phone moment?
easy. Checking the same pocket 5 times.
Wait, really?
Yes, because somehow you believe magic happened.
Fair answer.
Then maybe you start checking everywhere.
Bag,
Table,
jacket,
car.
and somehow, still nothing.
Then maybe someone asks, what happened?
Useful sentence, everyone. I can't find my phone.
Very useful real-life English. Repeat after us. I can't find my phone.
Very simple English.
Or maybe, I think I lost it.
Useful sentence, everyone. I think I lost it.
Repeat after us. I think I lost it.
Very useful English.
Then maybe you remember the last place you visited.
Maybe coffee shop.
Maybe restaurant.
Maybe taxi.
Oh wow, taxi feels stressful.
Very stressful.
Because suddenly, your phone could be anywhere.
Then maybe you ask someone, can I use your phone for a minute?
Useful sentence, everyone. Can I use your phone for a minute?
Repeat after us. Can I use your phone for a minute?
Very useful real-life English.
Especially when panic feels real.
Very real.
Then maybe you call your phone.
Big moment.
Everybody becomes quiet,
Waiting for sound.
waiting for hope.
Then suddenly, ring sound.
Best feeling ever.
Unless it rings somewhere strange.
Oh no, new problem. Emma, be honest. Have you ever lost your phone?
Wait, why are we talking about my secrets again?
So that means yes.
Maybe one time.
One time? Okay, maybe several times.
Honest answer again.
One time, I searched everywhere, feeling very stressed.
Okay, sounds serious.
Then suddenly, I realized the phone was in my hand.
Oh wow, that feels painfully real.
Very embarrassing.
Wrong and confident again.
Apparently, that is my personality.
Very consistent personality.
Thank you, I think.
Then maybe you go back to the last place you visited.
Nervous moment.
Very nervous.
Maybe ask politely, have you seen my phone?
Useful sentence, everyone. Have you seen my phone?
Repeat after us. Have you seen my phone?
Very useful English.
Then maybe somebody says, what does it look like?
Oh wow, serious description moment.
Very serious.
Then maybe there's a simple way to explain.
Yes. Describing your phone can feel stressful.
Very stressful, especially when panic already started.
Very true.
Suddenly, your brain forgets details.
Then maybe somebody asks, what does it look like?
Useful sentence, everyone. It's black.
Or maybe it has a blue case.
Nice simple English.
Or maybe It's a big phone.
Very useful real-life English.
Am I question time?
Okay.
Most stressful phone moment?
Easy. Calling your phone and nobody answers.
Oh no, that feels terrible.
Very terrible.
Because suddenly, your imagination becomes dramatic.
Very dramatic. Suddenly, you think, my phone is gone forever.
Immediate sadness.
Very immediate sadness.
Honest question. Have you ever thought somebody stole your phone, but actually, you forgot where you put it?
Sadly, yes.
Oh wow, what happened?
One time, I panicked for 30 minutes, looking everywhere.
Sounds stressful already.
Very stressful. And suddenly, I found it in the refrigerator.
Wait, the refrigerator?
Honestly, I still have questions.
That feels very real somehow.
Wrong and confident again.
Apparently, that is everybody's personality.
Fair answer.
Then maybe you ask somebody at a store, "Can you help me?"
Useful sentence, everyone. Can you help me?
Repeat after us. "Can you help me?"
Or maybe, I think I left my phone here.
Very useful English.
Then maybe somebody checks lost and found.
Big, hopeful moment.
Very hopeful.
Maybe somebody says, "Yes, we found it."
Best feeling ever.
Truly amazing feeling.
Then maybe you finally see your phone again.
Emotional reunion.
Very emotional.
Suddenly, life feels normal again.
Very true.
Then maybe say, "Thank you so much."
Useful sentence, everyone. Thank you so much.
Repeat after us. "Thank you so much."
Nice natural English.
But wait, what if you never find it?
Oh no, serious sadness.
Very serious sadness.
Then maybe new phone time.
Expensive sadness.
Very expensive sadness.
Emma, question.
Okay,
Worst feeling after losing a phone?
easy. Not remembering phone numbers.
Oh wow, that feels personal.
Very personal.
What about you?
Losing photos.
Oh no, that feels sad.
Very sad.
But honestly, losing your phone can feel very stressful.
Especially when panic feels real.
Or everything feels confusing.
But simple English helps.
Very true. You do not need perfect English.
Short sentences work.
Like, "I can't find my phone.
I think I lost it.
Can I use your phone for a minute?
Have you seen my phone?
Can you help me?"
Thank you so much.
Real English. Real life.
Confidence grows slowly.
One conversation at a time.
One small sentence at a time.
Even stressful moments help.
Emma, question.
Okay?
Best losing phone advice.
Easy. Stay calm, call your phone first, and check your pocket one more time.
Very realistic advice.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today, everyone.
We hope this conversation helped your English feel easier and more natural.
And maybe made losing your phone feel a little less stressful.
If you enjoyed learning with us,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
we will see you again soon.
Bye, everyone.